Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into sponger. 5 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Leech. Which means a person who extorts profit from or sponges on others. Leech. For example, they are leeches feeding off the hard-working majority. Number 2. Hanger-on. Which means a person who associates with another person or a group in a sycophantic manner or for the purpose of gaining some personal advantage. Hanger-on. For example, the shysters, the freebooters, the hangers-on who traditionally take advantage of champions. Number 3. Parasite. Which means a person who habitually relies on or exploits others and gives nothing in return. Parasite. For example, the capitalist is really a parasite on the workers. Number 4. Drone. Which means a person who does no useful work and lives off others. Drone. For example, the university takes all the profit and redistributes it to drones like him. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. It is now the time to hit the subscribe button.